This is the start of something bigger. A 5-part road trip to a tiny Italian mountain village called Pelio.
Such a long curve, man, wow!
It's alpine passes, sounds, drama,
Are we gonna scrape?
views, and a few moments we definitely didn't plan for.
This looks so wrong.
Oh my god.
Enjoy.
You're joining us on a route to Pelio. The auntie of my wife has a house there and we're gonna visit the place. And right now we're gonna drive the road to Pelio. It's a really nice pass up here and I'm gonna take you along the journey. Different speed limits as well in Italy. Okay, after around an hour of highway driving, let's hit the first twisty roads. Really nice road up here. It's mostly the road we do before we go to Sustenpass. Car is warm, we can thrash it. Some blind corners. Taycan, really fast, but would have no chance in these corners. Downshifts. Okay, and again, drive as slow as you want, but please let me pass. Wow, the exhaust. Okay, then we're gonna slow down a bit so we can have a free road again. Okay, let's go. Such a cool road, man. I think I'm gonna quickly go out here till someone comes. The road should be free enough now because, oh my god, these twists. Again, obeying the speed limit, watching out for that. The corners are so tight, man. Oh, and another one. Driving 30 in a 80. Okay. Here another really nice section. Braking, trail braking. That was the little back road here. Now we're gonna go up the Gotthard Pass. Gotthard Pass is a nice road, but the speed limit is only 80 and the curves are not tight enough to kind of have fun. So either you drive too fast or yeah, you just enjoy the views. And yeah, a lot of people ask me where my accent is from. Yes, I am from Switzerland. I could also have a really Swiss accent if I want to. Oder? But if I want it, I can also have a British accent in it. Wow, this curve here is so cool. 80 is allowed, so we're gonna drive 80, obviously. But we need to watch out because it gets tighter. Wow. Yes, son! Normally we would go right up here where Sustenpass is, but the pass is still closed. So sadly we can't do it. We're gonna go over the Gotthard Pass. Not as exciting, not as much curves, but still pretty fun. stunning views. I hope we don't have too much traffic up Gotthard Pass, because you can't really overtake. It's like the double yellow mustard lines you have in America or wherever. Here it's just one line or two white lines, and you're not allowed to cross these. Oh yeah, we love our tunnels here. Oh, the road surface is a bit ass though. Yeah. Tack, tack. Oh, bumpy. Roadworks. A lot of roadworks in the Swiss passes actually. Really need to watch out for those. Also rocks falling from the mountain. And the way through the Gotthard tunnel is actually faster. I think it's 18 kilometers of tunnel in one piece. It's really high maintenance. There's also traffic lights controlling the traffic going in and out, so there's not too many cars in the tunnel. When you go over the pass, you usually have a bit less traffic, so the time to travel is about the same. Ah, that is the Blitzer. Hello! Yeah, Blitzers everywhere in Switzerland. It's insane. The fines are crazy. Drive 25 too fast in an 80 zone and you lose your license for at least a month, if not 3 months. Alright, welcome to Gotthard Pass. That was so slippy, man. That was so cool. Yeah, watching out with the oncoming traffic. And someone told me in the comments, you only need to be able to brake within line of sight if there is a middle line on the road. If there's no middle line, you need to be able to brake within half line of sight. I didn't know that, yeah, but I guess better safe than sorry. We're driving 30 in the 80 just to try and get this section right here without any traffic. I'm watching if someone is coming from behind. Aber ich denke es nicht, oder? Alright, first fun curve. Woo! So cool, man. Whoa. Hard braking, trail braking, rotation. Nice. Alright, we already caught up again. We can always make space again. Wow, but the views, man. Literally just driving on these roads is wow. Damn, okay. 296 GTB, I think. That was cool. Never seen a white one. Alright, so now this is the official start of Gotthard Pass. Let's go. Wow. Such a long curve, man. Wow. Wow, man. Unreal driving these roads. Unreal. That sign right there was in German. It said "Wer wagt verliert." And that means, translated, who risks loses. So they're trying to tell motorcyclists and car riders to watch out for other people. Don't drive recklessly. These roads can be really dangerous. Also, again, with debris and stuff coming on the road. But also other drivers. Respect everyone, yeah? You can still have some fun. Let's go! Oh, that was a bad shift, man. Also, again, a long curve. Super cool. Wow. That's so much fun. If my speedo says 90, it's actually 80 on the GPS. Keep that in mind, yeah. Don't jump to conclusions. I always obey the speed limit, drive safely, and can brake within line of sight. Insane views, man. Wow, and these wind wheels are bigger than you think. They kind of look small from far, but if you're close to them, they're huge. How did they get up here? It's crazy what humans are able to do, man. And yeah, as we're climbing, it's getting colder and colder. Even with the sun, the heating is full on. Let's quickly... Oh my god, yes, another Elise. Let's park behind that. Haha, sick. Wow, an S1 Elise, man. So cool. A lot of people having fun up here. Wow, the two Elises, man. The oldest Elise and the newest Elise. Mine is a 2020. This must be from 98 or something, I'm not sure. But wow. Insane scenery up here. Hello. Pissing with the best view, man. Wow, the shadow it throws. So crazy, man. Now we're gonna continue the journey back down on the other side to get to our destination, but that's something you're gonna see in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.